Hey guys, this is Vinny with Message Mondays out here in the Bay Area. This Sunday I decided to come and visit my family. My sister just had babies, twin girls. I'm an uncle now, so I came out here for the weekend to come visit my family and herself. And my dad and I today decided that we're gonna go ride the Bay Bridge. I haven't been on the Bay Bridge since it was constructed. I haven't even seen it in person since it was constructed, so I'm really excited to go riding on it. So stay tuned and I'll show you some clips from the ride. I'm out here at a BART station right now, and we're gonna take BART down to Oakland, and we're gonna ride our bikes up to the Bay Bridge and enjoy God's beautiful scenery this Sunday morning. Yeah, so that's where I'm at. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. So far this has been pretty cool. We're at the base of the Bay Bridge and we're about to ride up to it. Finally made it out here to the bridge. It was a very nice ride. It was uphill the entire way, but it really wasn't that bad. Just kind of kept trekking on forward. It's really it feels weird because there's no nets on the side, so you can literally look right over the edge, and it gives you that kind of uneasy feeling. But it's really amazing because you see the history of this bridge that's being torn down. This one right here. And it's weird to think, like, you see it and you go, man, I've been on that bridge. I drove on that bridge. I went across that bridge, and now it's not there. You know, there's parts of it not there, like this right here. It's kind of crazy to think that it's all gone, but you know, the one thing is, it's amazing to see what God can do. You know, just with architecture and with people's talents to build something so massive. I mean, this bridge that you can just go across, man, it's quite amazing. And just to stand over all this water, and even though it's foggy out, it's really beautiful. And I'm really enjoying this. And I just thank God this morning for allowing me to come up here and allowing me to enjoy this time with my dad and just see his amazing creation. Alright, that concludes our day. We rode from Oakland to the Bay Bridge, rode halfway across the Bay Bridge over to the island, and we went and had some lunch, went bought a t-shirt, If you have any songs or requests, we'd gladly take them. Anything that you would like us to talk about, anything you would like us to check into, just let us know. We like investigating new things. So everybody have a good day, enjoy the rest of your day, and keep a lookout for new videos. Thank you.